Egypt. And he remained there until the death of Herod, in order to fulfill what was spoken by the Lord to the prophet, saying, "Out of Egypt I called my son." Then Herod, seeing that he had been fooled by the Magi, was very angry, and so he sent to kill all the boys who were in Bethlehem and in all the borders, for 2 years of age and under, according to the time that he had learned by questioning the Magi. Then what was spoken through the prophet Jeremiah was fulfilled, saying, "A voice has been heard in Ramah, great weeping and wailing, Rachel crying for her sons, and she was not willing to be consoled, because they were no more." Then when Herod had passed away, behold, the angel of the Lord appeared in sleep to Joseph in Egypt, saying, Rise up and take the boy and his mother, and go into the land of Israel. For those who were seeking the life of the boy had passed away. And rising up, he took the boy and his mother, and went into the land of Israel. Then hearing that Archelaus reigned in Judah in place of his father Herod, he was afraid to go there. And being warned in sleep, he withdrew into parts of Galilee. And arriving, he lived in a city which is called Nazareth, in order to fulfill what was spoken through the prophets, for he should be called a Nazarene.
Thank you all so much for coming. If I could ask you a favor, we do this every year on December 28th. I think it's a beautiful event. I hope you all think so as well. And the prayers are so meaningful. So if you could put it in your calendars, next year, December 28th, we will be here, and we hope you'll be here too, and maybe bring some friends with you. Thanks. And